Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to change your name on Talkatone. Unfortunately, Talkatone does not allow you to directly change your name and account details such as email or caller ID information. However, you can achieve this by creating a new account, and here's how. Just close your older account, open Talkatone app, navigate to settings and close your account. Open Talkatone, then use a different email address and enter your new details with the name you want to change. Set up your number and you're good to go. Inform your contacts about the change if necessary. Just note that closing your account will delete your existing number and call text history. Be sure to save any important information or messages before closing the account. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.